Automobile warriors, rev up your engines. Buckle up for a well-determined voyage by prioritizing no-nonsense testing at every phase of production. Obliged to the stringent regulations. Lab testing is your ticket to global acclaim and market access. Let people drive with an absolute calm, unbaffled mind. Emissions checks or crash simulations, all features should be dealt with some skepticism. Are you keeping pace with the eco-conscious consumer? Gone are the days for those screaming, chaotic vehicles. They should feel light and flexible. In a world baffling with carbon dioxide woes, emissions testing promises a greener tomorrow. Go for comprehensive lab analysis. Have a dialogue with Atharva Lab.